Next is the setting parameter. Children begin acquiring syntactic structures very early. Even during the telegraphic stage, the language development, one critical syntactic feature the acquire is the parameter governing the order to the head of phrase its complement. For example, in the English, the verb phrase BP followed a verb object BO order, while the Japanese in the follows an object verb is OB order. Word order acquisition from their earlier multi-words utterance, children produce the correct words order to their native language. Furthermore, evidence suggests that even during the one-word stage, children exhibit an understanding of word order. This is early mastery highlights the innate mechanisms during the language development. According to the parameter setting model of the Universal Grammar UG, children do not explicitly formulate words order rules. Instead, UG provides a binary choice: head first English or head last Japanese. The child task is to select correct parameters value based on the input they receive for the environment. An English-speaking child exposed to head-first structures in the input determines that the head of precedes in a complements. A Japanese-speaking child hearing head in the structures identifies that complements precede the head in their language. The last is the acquisition of sign language. Deaf children born to the deaf parents who use sign language naturally acquire it in a way similar to how hearing children acquired spoken language. This is because the developmental stages of language acquisition of the universal regardless of whether of language in sign or spoken. The stage of the developmental in designs language. Number 1. Babbling stage. Deep the infants engage in the type of manual babbling where they produce repetitive hand movement resembling the early babbling sound of hearing children. Number 2. Single sign stage. This stage parallel the holographic stage in the spoken language acquisition where the single sign convey an entire idea, similar to how sign language how a single words function for the hearing children. Number 3. Combining signs. Children begin to combine signs to form phrases in sentences, just as spoken language learners move to multi-words utterance. Number 4. Telegraphic stage. At this stage, children use the essential context signs but often omit function the grammatical elements like the prepositions of auxiliary verbs. This mirrors telegraphic speech of the hearing children where are commonly omitted. Number 5. Constantly used to the function sign. Eventually, children consistently use to the function sign typically at the same developmental age as a hearing children begin use to the function word in spoken language. In last time the development, the progressions through this stage occur to the comparable ages for children acquiring sign and the spoken language. This suggests that the underlying mechanisms of the language acquisition of the biologically driven in the independent at the modality of the language, whether the visual, gestural, sign, or auditory vocal spoken. This is my last part of my report. Thank you.